Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to remove first name from full name. Just select all the full name first and press Ctrl H. It will display the find and replace dialog box. Now type here Steric and space and click replace all. It will remove all the first name. You can see here it will remove all the first name. This way you can remove all the first name from full name. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to format table by using the shortcut keys. Here is the data and I want to apply the table formatting here. Just select all your data and press Alt O A. It will display the auto format option. Just double click here in any format. It will formatting your table. I just select all the table and again and press Alt O A, and now I want to apply the another format just like this. That's way you can apply the auto format by using the shortcut key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn one of the Excel problem for long number. How can we solve the long number problem? If I type the 11 number, you can see it will display. If I type the 12 number, it is showing look like this. It will not display long number. How can we solve this problem? Just select all the cell where you want to type the long number and select here text. Now if I type here 12 number, it will display. If I type the credit card number which are 16 digit, it will also display here. That's way you can solve the long number problem. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to display rounded corners in Excel chart area. Here you can see here sales report chart. You can see here there is a no rounded corner here and I want to display here rounded corner. How can we perform this task? Just click in the chart and now right click here, and here you will find the option format chart area. Just click here. Now move to the cursor to the bottom where you will find the rounded corner. Just click here and close here. Now you can see here there are rounded corner. That's way you can display the rounded corner in a chart. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to know person sales in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see country and sales are given, but I want to know the person sales. You can use the formula is equal to and select the sales divided by total sales and multiply by 100 and press enter. It will show the person sales. Now I will give you a very easy technique to get all the person sales. I just remove it. Now select all the cells and here you will find the quick analysis tool. Just click here and now go to the totals, and at the end you will find the person total. Just click here. It will get person sales in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.